Hi, I'm Rich from TitanClassics.com, and these are chain sliders for the VJ22, which was produced between 1991 and the last model was about 1996. So this is the OEM part, which is no longer produced by Suzuki. I managed to buy a brand new old stock part so that I can model it in SolidWorks, which is a CAD program, and then reproduce by 3D printing. Now, it took hours to model this, but I got it done, and I thought to make a nice, good, strong part, I'd do it in, this one's called ASA filament, and it's with carbon fibre inside it. The issue is there's no give in it at all. It's insanely strong, and it's not really appropriate. So then I realised that it has to be done in TPU filament, which is also, I mean, this one is great. It's UV resistant, chemical resistant, heat resistant, insanely strong. But a more appropriate one is TPU filament, and I printed it at 100% infill. It's chemical UV resistant, heat resistant, and also bendy. It's got a bendiness that's similar, although a bit stiffer than the OEM part. Dimensions are all the same. It doesn't look as perfect as the OEM part, which is smooth. And on the back, you know, it's smooth. It looks like the OEM part has been finished by hand as well. Whereas the 3D printed part has lines in it. And the back, because you need supports for overhangs, there's a little bit of a rough feel to it. And tiny bits of thread here and there. You know, but it's cool. It's exactly the same as the OEM part. It'll perform just as well as the OEM part, and you can't even get these anymore. So this is a good replacement, and I'll start reproducing them for other obsolete bike models as well. But it takes a few hours to model it, so it's going to be a while. If you've got any suggestions, I'm open to suggestions of what stuff to get made. All right, thanks for now, and catch you later. Cheers now, bye.